Imagine waking up in your 80s and feeling the strength in your legs as you stand up from your chair without hesitation. No more catching your breath halfway up the stairs, and no more fatigue after a short walk. It might sound too good to be true, but it is possible, and it all starts with what you eat every day. Many people assume that weak legs and reduced mobility are a natural part of getting older. But here's the truth. It's not inevitable. The real cause of leg weakness after 60 isn't simply age. It's a gradual decline in muscle mass that sneaks up on you. One day, standing up from a chair feels just a little harder than it used to. And before you know it, a walk that once felt like a breeze now leaves you feeling drained. But don't panic. These changes don't have to define your later years. There's a way to fight back and regain strength by nourishing your body with the right foods. The food you put into your body can have just as much impact on your muscle health as exercise. And with the right nutrients, your muscles will rebuild and repair, making you feel more energetic, balanced, and steady. It's never too late to start. To begin, salmon is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for muscle strength. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and supports muscle repair. Inflammation makes it harder for muscles to stay healthy, but omega-3s calm that inflammation, allowing your muscles to recover and stay strong. Salmon is also packed with high-quality protein and vitamin D, two nutrients that many seniors are lacking. Protein is the building block for muscle, while vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health. Aim to eat salmon 2 to 3 times a week. It's easy to prepare. Just bake, grill, or pan cook it with a little olive oil, lemon, and herbs. Pair it with sweet potatoes or leafy greens for a meal that will nourish your muscles and bones. Next, oats provide steady energy that helps keep your legs feeling light and strong throughout the day. As we age, maintaining a steady energy supply is crucial. Oats provide slow-digesting carbohydrates, ensuring a consistent source of energy that prevents spikes and crashes. When your energy levels remain steady, your legs feel lighter and your body more capable. Oats are also rich in magnesium, which supports muscle function and helps prevent cramps. A bowl of oats for breakfast, topped with berries and a drizzle of honey, is an excellent way to start your day. If you're short on time, blend oats into a smoothie for a quick and convenient energy boost. Sweet potatoes are another incredible food that supports muscle function. Packed with potassium and magnesium, two minerals essential for muscle function, sweet potatoes are perfect for helping your legs recover after physical activity. Potassium helps your muscles contract and maintain fluid balance, while magnesium supports muscle relaxation and prevents cramps. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants that protect your muscles from wear and tear. The best part is how easy they are to prepare. Simply bake or roast them and keep them ready to eat throughout the week. Warm them up with a little olive oil and cinnamon and enjoy them as a side dish or snack. Avocados may be a creamy addition to your meals, but they're more than just a healthy fat. They're essential for muscle health. The healthy fats in avocados support nerve and muscle function, and they help your body absorb vitamins from other foods, which is key for maintaining muscle and bone health. Avocados are a great pairing for salads, eggs, or vegetables, enhancing your meal with healthy fats that help your body make the most out of the other nutrients you consume. If you're not eating avocados every day, it's okay. Just make them a regular part of your routine. You don't need to be perfect. Consistency is what matters most. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that protect your muscles from oxidative stress, the kind of wear and tear that can weaken muscles over time. These antioxidants reduce inflammation, promote healthy circulation, and help your muscles recover faster. Adding berries to your breakfast is a simple way to support your leg strength. Toss them into your oats, stir them into Greek yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. If fresh berries aren't available, frozen berries work just as well, and you can always have them on hand. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and maintenance. It's especially important to spread your protein intake throughout the day to support muscle health. And Greek yogurt makes it easy to do just that. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, which is necessary for bone health, and it supports digestion, making it a versatile and convenient option for a muscle-friendly diet. Have it as an afternoon snack, after a walk, or following light exercise. You can add berries for flavor or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Finally, eggs are one of the best foods you can eat for muscle repair. Packed with essential amino acids, eggs help signal your muscles to rebuild and maintain themselves. They also support the connection between nerves and muscles, which is essential for balance and steady movement. Many people skip the yolk, but that's where most of the essential nutrients are found. If your doctor hasn't restricted your egg intake, make sure to eat the whole egg. It's simple to prepare: scramble, boil, or cook them gently, and pair them with nutrient-dense foods like spinach or tomatoes. Building stronger legs doesn't have to be complicated. Start by incorporating just 2 or 3 of these foods into your daily routine and gradually build habits that support your leg health. The key is consistency. Whether it's a bowl of oats in the morning, a serving of salmon a few times a week, or a handful of berries with your yogurt, every small choice you make is an investment in your strength, balance, and independence. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. Just focus on making simple, consistent choices that add up over time. You can keep your legs strong, steady, and ready to support you as you age. Every step you take today, every healthy meal you eat, brings you closer to maintaining your independence and enjoying your golden years to the fullest. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your muscles respond, making each day feel a little easier and a lot more fulfilling. If this information helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying strong and healthy at any age. Together, we can build stronger, more independent futures for ourselves, one meal at a time.